What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better. You feel me? Take this good ass energy. Today I want to make a Drake type beat. It's really like in the style of his last song, Search and Rescue. So that is the type of beat that I want to go for. Try to work with me and let's dive right into it. Let's get it. So for this beat, I'm going to use a scale, the Aeolian scale on D sharp. So you can just like put it right here, copy it over a little bit, so that way we can follow along with the scale and make sure everything is in key. So if you open up a VST right here, then you can see the ghost notes right here and just make sure everything is in the right key. That's really helpful as well. I'm going to start off with like a simple pattern right here. Just copy that over. These are the same notes as in the song. FL Keys, stock plugin. Let's use a dark piano. Some reverb to this, delay as well. Let's add some vinyl to this as well. This is a free plugin, so let's add some drums to this to create like some bounce and some rhythm. I'm going to keep the drums really simple. That's how these Drake beats are. These Drake beats are not a lot to it and really simple. Start really simple. It's freestyling right here. Yeah. Let's add the clap in there. Let's add this one like on the second time of the clap and head into this right here, the wrench tool, I think it is, and turn the time up right here. That way it's like hitting a little bit after the clap. Gives like an extra. Copy that over. Woo, that was hard as well. Maybe at the end. All right, let's work on the melody a little bit more. I'm going to, as I said, use some stock plugins. Let's use this Rhodes E-piano, copy that over. Right here, I want the 808 to take on like a different pattern. Dun, 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 dun. So I want to add like another counter melody using like a stock plugin, something that just like supports the main melody. That way it's not like too boring. So maybe let's add this piano in there. Oh, that's hard. And for the second part, let's add Portal on this. I really fuck with this part, bro. That's hard. Maybe we can add a different 808 right here. It's fucking hard. It's so simple, bro. Like, what the hell? It's so simple, but I can definitely hear like Drake going crazy on this, or even Lil Baby. Damn, sometimes it does not lead a lot, bro. That's fire. Like the delay is just, I put the delay on pitch, and then made an automation clip from the pitch shift knob. So it's just like going up and then back down. That's hard. Hard, bro. I love the beat, bro. It's super simple, bro, but usually Drake type beats and even Lil Baby type beats don't need a lot. If you take a listen to those hit songs, like for example this one, I need someone to be patient with me. It's like super simple and there's not much to it. So hope you guys learned from this. Hope you guys enjoyed it as well. This tutorial showed you how to make like a Drake type beat, Lil Baby as well type beat from scratch inside of FL Studio 21. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at gunna beats, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.